Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing kitchen. And if you are new here, kindly click on that subscribe button right now and join the amazing family today. In this video, I'm going to be sharing this super juicy and delicious chicken thigh recipe with you. Just to take a break from the regular fried and grilled chicken. And it's really easy to make. I'm sure you are going to love this. So let's get right into it. I'll be using some boneless and skinless chicken thigh, but you can use bone-in and skin-on chicken thigh as well. It doesn't really matter. And for my seasoning, I'm going to be using some sumac. It's very refreshing. Paprika powder, tarragon, mustard powder, onion powder, and some garlic powder. But you can obviously use any seasoning you prefer. I also have some black and white pepper and some salt. I'm also going to be using some Greek yogurt. You don't have to use Greek yogurt. You can use any yogurt you prefer as long as it's not any flavored yogurt. No strawberry and vanilla yogurt. It should be fine. You can even replace it with buttermilk if you don't have yogurt. And as always, I'm going to list all the ingredients with their measurements in the description box below for your convenience. So now I'm going to add my seasonings to my chicken, and my chicken is well cleaned and patted dry. So I add the rest of the seasoning in one go, and I'm going to mix it together and make sure that every single chicken is well coated with a beautiful seasoning. Next, I add about 2 teaspoons of ginger paste, and I'm using here my homemade all-purpose marinade, but any ginger paste will do. You can even omit this step totally. Your chicken will still be delicious. So mix that right in until it is well incorporated, and then move on by adding your yogurt. As you can see, this yogurt is really thick, but once we stir, it's going to loosen up. So any type of yogurt you are using, you want to add it now and stir everything together until every single chicken once again is beautifully coated with the yogurt. And what the yogurt does is that it's going to tenderize the chicken, and that is what will ensure a very juicy and tasty outcome. So now I'm going to cover my chicken and allow it to marinate for about 1 hour, but you can marinate this up to overnight. So after 1 hour, I take it out of my fridge and allow it to sit on my counter for about 10 minutes before I begin to cook this. Now heat up about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or any oil of your choice in a very wide bottom pot or a skillet or a shallow pot like I'm using here, because we want the chicken to be single layered. Once the oil is nice and hot, you want to go ahead and place your chicken in your pot, making sure that they don't overlap each other. So every chicken should have room for itself. You know what I mean? Don't pack them like sardines. And you want to wait until your pan is nice and hot before you add the chicken. You want to hear that sizzle. That is what will ensure a very perfect sear. So you would like to keep your heat on medium high. Now just look at that. This is what I'm talking about. I cooked my chicken on each side for about 5 minutes, and this is what it gave me. It looks so beautiful and so gorgeous. So after each side is perfectly cooked, your chicken is done. You see, perfectly seared on both sides, and that's how you want it. And once your chicken is cooked, you realize that the moisture is evaporated and it is almost dry. Then we are ready to serve. Now it's time to serve our chicken, and I'm going to do that on a bed of lettuce, garnished with some sliced tomatoes and some sliced onions. You can even have this with your salad, but we had ours with our 1-pot coconut rice. And I already shared that recipe with you. I mean, just look at how juicy this chicken is. It's really tasty, so flavorful, and it takes no time at all to make. This is how the yogurt tenderizes the chicken. You really need to try this simple and easy recipe. You know, just to give you a break from the regular grilled and fried chicken. Something new for a change. You will really love this one. If you really love this video, kindly give your girl a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and join the amazing family today. So until I come your way next time with another yumilicious recipe, please remember that cooking should always be fun and exciting. So try to cook each meal with love and see it radiate through the hearts of your family. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.